Hey everybody, welcome to another Cars and Zebras auction. All of this footage was taken at the Chicago Mecum Auto Auction, so I sure hope that you enjoy it. And of course, if you do, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel since I will be posting this footage regularly. But with that said, let's check out our featured car. This is a 1970 Ford Mustang, but it's not just any run-of-the-mill Mustang. Oh yeah, this one's a Boss 429. And for all of you watching, I'm sure you already know about this car, but it is a monster. And it's actually the first one that I've ever got to see in person, so that was really cool. So let's check out its tag. As you can see, it's a numbers matching car, and the current owner has had this in their possession since 1973 when he purchased it from a moonshiner in Mississippi. I mean, come on! That's awesome! It's got 26,000 original miles, and of course, drag pack and competition suspension is present. They do mention that the car is heavily optioned, and it even comes with the original window sticker. And people love that stuff, so it's gonna probably drive up the price even more. As I already said, these cars were just straight up nasty. You got a lot of goodies in that Boss 429 package. Of course, the gem is the 429 cubic inch semi-hemi engine, 375 horsepower at 5,200 RPM, and 450 pound-feet of torque at 3,400 RPM. And then you'll see that this Boss 9 features a 4-speed manual, that being a top loader, and it is a close ratio. And for 1970, they all came with a Hurst T-handle shifter and also Hurst linkage. Speaking of changes for 1970, there was another big one, and that was in the engine. They switched over to a solid lifter cam, and that's why these engines were definitely underrated. That solid lifter cam was giving them at least another 30 horsepower compared to the previous year. But that's not the only engine goodie on the Boss 429. It had a 735 CFM Holley carb sitting on a high-rise intake. 4-bolt mains were present in all but the 5th position. It had forged pistons, but the block was cast. Of course, it had the awesome semi-hemi aluminum heads. And then, like I said, for 1970, you had a solid lifter cam. There was also ram air on all of these cars, and Ford had already relocated the battery to the trunk. There was only one rear gear ratio available in the Boss 429, and that was a 391 gear stuffed into a Ford 9-inch rear end. These cars weren't very light. They were coming in at just over 3,800 pounds, and pricing was pretty steep for 1970. These cars started out at about $4,800, so adjusting for inflation, that'd be over $31,000 today, and that was really expensive compared to the other muscle cars of the era. As you can imagine, production was very limited for these cars. Either 499 or 500 Boss 429 Mustangs were produced between those 2 years. But then if you factor in color, with this one having the absolutely gorgeous Calypso Coral, well, that's only one of 76. But enough talk about this Boss 429. Let's see how much it goes for at the auction.
$30,000 Up next, lot 156 is a 1970 Boss 429 Mustang in Calypso Coral. It's the car that started the Garland collection. It's paragraph number 2365, matching numbers 429 engine, 4-speed transmission, a 3-owner car that was purchased in 73 from a Mississippi moonshiner. Highly optioned, comes with a window sticker, build sheet, and the history of Calypso Coral Boss 429. Somebody get $350,000 for it. $350,000, anybody get $300,000. And $300,000, anybody get $3 bid, anybody get $3, anybody get $200,000. And $200,000 bid, anybody get $200,000 bid. $225,000. I have $200 bid, anybody get $225,000 bid, anybody get $225,000. $50,000. $250 bid, anybody get $50, anybody get $250,000. I have $225,000 bid, anybody get $250,000. I have $225,000 bid, anybody get $250,000. $250 bid, $275,000 reserve is off. And $250 bid, anybody get $275,000. I have $250 bid, anybody get $275,000. And $250,000, $275,000. I have $250 bid, anybody get $260,000. And $250 bid, anybody get $60 bid, anybody get $60,000. Anybody else? And $250,000, $260,000. So $250,000. So $250,000 prize. here. This is
Thanks for watching this Cars and Zebras auction. I do appreciate it. If you found it entertaining, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future auction videos. And of course, I'll see you at the next one.